Welcome to the Eicher buses manufacturing plant, a hub of innovation, reliability, and performance. Built with precision, crafted for excellence. From advanced BS6 technology to the widest range of buses, Eicher is redefining mobility for a sustainable future. Spanning 43 acres, this state-of-the-art facility in Baggad, Madhya Pradesh, India, stands at the forefront of Eicher's bus manufacturing capabilities. With an annual production capacity of 14,000 buses, we ensure seamless execution from concept to completion. Behind our success is a highly skilled team dedicated to upholding Eicher's legacy of excellence. Recognized as the Smart Factory of the Year in 2021, driving India forward with 1.5 lakh buses on road and exports to over 40+ countries worldwide. From Starline to Skyline, Skyline Pro, HCB, and EV, our diverse product range meets the evolving needs of modern transportation. Eicher Baggad plant continues to set benchmarks in manufacturing excellence, from structure fabrication and jigs to coupling and advanced automation, ensuring the highest build quality. Advanced storage facilities with lean SOPs ensure streamlined operations and just-in-time deliveries. At the core of our success lies precision engineering and advanced automation, ensuring the highest build quality. A state-of-the-art robotic paint line delivers a flawless finish, enhancing durability and aesthetics. The integration of the panel line, shell drop, and chassis coupling ensures superior structural integrity and safety. Our highly versatile multi-model assembly lines enable efficient production across a wide range of bus models. From windscreen fixing to shower testing, every bus undergoes meticulous quality checks. A stringent pre-dispatch inspection guarantees that every Eicher bus meets the highest industry standards. And finally, the journey begins. Eicher buses, built for reliability, ready to conquer roads across the world,